Picture muna. Bago nyo kainin.
Hindi na. Busog na ako.
Kainin. Ang laki niya na lang.
Inuwi nyo na lang.
Kakain daw siya.
Kakain ako.
Tigas mo talaga. Tanggal mo na yung almorana si Sapit.
Hi.
Gusto kasi.
Ay, picture muna kayo. Hi. On our way to... Saan yung babe ko?
On our way to the outside.
Mercato.
Cup of Joe. Baka ba?
Eyo, baby chew.
Ha? Sige, ano na lang sir yung mango kaya 2 slices. Saka daw yung...
The next.
Hi! Welcome to my vlog!
Gusto niyo bang marinig ang mga kwento?
So after a weekend full of fun with friends, it's almost Monday. Actually, it's 11:45 of April 21st. And we're going to start na our Monday reset. So everything that I need to do like before the start of the new week, gagawin natin ngayon. Including pagpapalit ng cover ng kama. So nandito na yung mga ano natin. Opo, naglalaba po ako madaling araw. And then I just realized wala pala kami sabon. So hindi ako makakapaglaba. Now that leaves us... Actually, alam mo, hindi ko alam kung tama pa yung gagawin ko dito. I want to streamline yung process namin sa team. And I want to keep it na only using 2, 3 tops na system. So that's what I'm going to do right now.
Weekly?
Time check. 12:30. Sinalingat. Okay, so it's 12:30. I worked on. It took me some time to get parang to that, to get yung flow ng pag-create ng onboarding namin sa website. But I got it. I started working on it. It's halfway through. Pero antok na ako. So, matutulog muna tayo.
Okay.
Thank you, Paglaro. We are actually editing. And we're also live. So, dami nating ganap, sis. Damang-daman namin ng summer. So, we need to do something about it. Currently here sa bahay ni Bashti. Bashti! Tapos, pupunta kami ng mall because we need to buy an aircon. So, 30 minutes in, it's 1:15. And we're on our way na to... Saan na tayo? Nawawalang Paraiso.
1 hour later.
Ano yan?
Pag alamang. Awa ng chicharon.
Uy!
Meron doon halo-halo. Kaso lalagyan mo sukang maanghang.
Ano yung suko?
Uy! Hello!
Buti na lang hindi ako magdadrive.
Christine? Si Christine.
Ano?
Sa Kaleraya, yung lupa dun ay nasa bundok, nasa gitna.
So, tumawag lang kami sa kusina ni Paring Abel, which is right there. Pero tumawag na lang kami, hindi na kami pumunta doon. And then we
May
ordered.
access yun. Yung
So
pinuntahan
we
namin parang
have
tangina.
calamares,
Walang
lechon,
daan.
Possible yun, pwede
and
mag
cheese
1.7.
sticks.
Pwede pare.
Tapos we only paid 1,112. Oh,
Pwede
ha,
yun, pare.
mura. 1,112. Love it. And then we eat. And this is how you go out without any plans.
Tanong mo.
Kailangan, alam ko kasi pag mga ganun, tinatanong sa city.
Aga namang uminit ng
municipal
ulo
pala,
ko,
Oo,
sir.
sa municipal.
Pero
Pero
magalit.
discretion pa rin nung may-ari.
Huwag ka magalit. Huwag ka magalit, Bibi. Bibi ah. Bugsh. Kids ka? Girl? So we're finally getting exactly what we came here for. The temperature is like bugsh, so cold. Tapos yung mga kasama namin mga How are you, Bibi? Oh, sige, go. Okay, go. Go. Wow. Very fast. Wow, very straight. Just like Ben. Doon lang naman pala sabi niya. Oh, oh, oh. Isa pa to. Ha? Baka lasing ka. Oh. Oh. Oh, hulas na ulit po sila, ladies and gentlemen. Puta yun lang kalaban dito, malamok. Sa taas. Ay, hindi ko ramdam kanina. The place is so nice. There are a lot of people swimming here. I think there is an event somewhere up there. There. Wait, there. Parang may event doon kasi may nag-rent nito. Yung villa. This is another villa. This is the one that we rented before. And then meron mga dorm and all. Yan. So many happy memories. Pero girl, sumuko na ako sa lamig. Pagbaba ka, nag-swimming na kami kanina. So pagbaba, pag-ahon ko, gusto ko pa sana mag-swimming. But I changed my mind. Tapos they have this, oh. It's so nice. This one's nice. This is like a cafe. Pero they also serve beer and all. Tapos may hall din dito. Nandito lang yung restroom, kaya pati liguan and all. So good. So good. And it has been 48 years and a half since we last vlog. I don't even remember kung ano yung huli kong vlog dito. But today is May 7th, 2024. And we have quite a few things na I would call progress. Anyway, tapos na ako sa meeting ko. Inaantok na ako. Ayos lang ako yung setting sa camera. And then, I'd probably charge this and I will sleep. Good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, mabuhay. Okay, let's talk about being real to yourself and how it's going to take you further than just following what the world is telling you. Because I think not many people are talking about the fact that nagiging people pleaser na tayo because of social media, and that sucks. Hindi ko na naman natapos yung video na yun. But, so talking about being true to yourself, and I think the very first thing that would happen to you kapag you stop being a people pleaser, is you're going to lose a lot of people. Like, you're going to lose so many people na sobrang importante para sa'yo. However, etong mga tao na importante para sa'yo, what you will realize is that yung mga mawawala, sila yung nanatili lang ng matagal sa buhay mo because you let them use you, you let them abuse you, you let them speak badly of you. Tapos tinatanggap mo lang sila thinking that they would either change or that at some point in their lives they will realize what they're doing, and they won't. Some of the things that we started doing. Ano ba? Bakit di ko na? Hoy! Yeah. Some of the things that we started doing na feeling ko na, ay yes, Bebong. Feeling ko lang naman, malaki yung, yan. Na feeling ko nakakatulong ngayon is when we started taking vitamins. Speaking of vitamins, di pa ako nainom. Ang haba na tulog namin. Usually, mga 7 to 8 hours na. Pati si Papski, kasi si Papski madalas may problem talaga siya sa pag-ano niya eh. Bakit?
Oo ko. Tulog ako ng alas 11, diba? 11:31.
Tapos nagigising ka ng...
Alas 3.
Oh, that's probably because yun talaga yung normal sleeping mo. Kasi si Papski may bago siyang pinagkakaabalahan. And nasanay pa rin siya na nagigising ng 3 or 4. Wherein before natutulog siya is around 8:30, no? 9 o'clock.
Hindi nga, 11 na nga.
Oo nga, yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Nasanay yung katawan mo ng
Bebong!
Anyway, oras na ng tulog namin.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so.